not moving. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh. Oh, oh. Dude, this is gonna be a long fight. Oh, I fucked up. Straight up battle of attrition right here. Oh, double tap. Oh, I messed up. I messed up. Stamina is not good right now. Or if he can't hit me, if I just keep pacing like this. Oh, okay, so I guess he can. Still trying to figure out the distance on this. Oh! Oh, which way you going? Oh no! Oh! Shit! Get it! Get it! Get it! One more! Yes! Let's fucking go! It's like the first enemy. It takes me like 20 minutes to kill. Oh god! Alright. That's a win. Still an advantage. I can feel it working. Think a lot. I'm not gonna die here. Yes. Oh, it's you, Joe. Thank you a million times. Thank you. I seriously owe you one. I'll talk to Aunt Rissa. Make sure you get a full tribal favor for this. Hell yeah. Saved our lighthouse. Ow, I don't think I'm fit to run home just yet. I'll find a safe place to let that medicine do its thing, then go home the second I'm able. Alright, my man. Glad I could help. Oh, pressing the wrong button. Fantastic. And just one more kind of fuck you. Alright. So I think I saved the lighthouse. For the time being. Oh, oh, now he wants to go. So he's just pissed off because I was kicking his ass earlier. Or are we just gonna dance? Alright, forget it. He's just gonna run up behind me and just peck me in the back of the head. That guy's new for sure, didn't see him before. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was like doing some of this little kind of side odd job things in this, and you only get like 10 gold or 10 currency. I don't know what the currency is. 10 silver discs. And to get 150 of those in what 3 days? 3 days, 5 days? Seems like kind of obnoxious. I just really don't want to die right now, so I'm just going to kind of avoid stuff for the time being. I think there's a chest right here, right? Oh no, do I even have the... I can fit 18 in my pockets now? Wait, what? Does changing your armor change how much Oh, I never saw this. There's a pouch bonus. Got it. Oh. So that just goes to show how useless this backpack is. I can fit more in my pockets than this backpack. Pressure trap plate. And some iron scrap. Fantastic. Get some more little berries. Yeah, so like I said, I did play like the beginning like hour or so. I did do one side quest in this, and then basically lost my lighthouse. So I just restarted. But that was about a week ago, and I'm obviously still learning the mechanics of this game. But I'm digging it so far. So Capo, you said you played this, right? What made you stop playing it? Did like something else come up? Did you just like hit a point where the game sucked or what? Other games, I believe. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I mean, as long as there's nothing that pops out in your mind that says, "Oh, this is gonna be, like a game breaker." I want to buy some. Actually, I want to sell a ton of stuff. What is this? Writ of tribal damn, sell it for 45. I'll sell that. Restored food, uncommon used in advanced recipes. I feel like I want to hang on to a lot of this stuff. I thought I had something I wanted to sell. I guess not. Alright. I'll just sell that. Fantastic. Oh, so I do want to buy all of their linen, because that's how you make bandages. Plus I had a playthrough with my cousin. Getting on time with him can be tough. Gotcha. What is it? Travel ration. Oh, dude, look at this hat. Antidote. Giant iron key? Look at that ruby. Okay. Let's go talk to... it was the mayor. So I need to just go save my lighthouse. Or, you know what? Shit, since we're down here. I do know that I do have a quest for this woman right here. They're worth a lot. You can find them. Wait, find what? The Ritz? I'm here about work. Looking for some... So I'm just skipping this one dialogue just because I know... kind of what to do. Oh, no, I didn't want to pass. Shit. Pays good. Yeah, okay. Sounds like a plan. I'll do it. There we go. Gems, got it. Alright, so from here on out, that was the only conversation I was going to skip. She just wanted me to go to this cave. I want to say in like the southeast? Northeast? Somewhere in the direction. I kind of remember where it is. And just to find the shield. It looks like a giant mushroom. I'm about to do that here in a sec. I think I should, like, sleep. There we go. Hell yeah. Now the playthrough actually begins. Is there anything? Oh no, it doesn't begin yet. What am I supposed to do with this?